Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the DLL architecture and gathering symbols. This matters because x86 versus x64 changes, calling conventions and addresses. Once done, place a local copy of the DLL and any PDB next to your analysis tool and launch your disassembler. Make sure to choose the correct loader profile for the binary format. Otherwise, function boundaries and imports will be wrong. You want the tool to parse imports and relocations automatically, so you can see entry points and references immediately. You now run the disassembler's auto-analysis to recover functions, imports, and useful strings. This reveals the code layout and likely API calls. Once the listing appears, start renaming functions and annotating calling conventions and structures to make sense of parameters. If the DLL is packed or obfuscated, attach a debugger, execute until unpacking completes, and dump the memory image back into the disassembler. Make sure to cross-reference strings and import usage to reconstruct higher-level logic. You finish by switching to the decompiler view to get readable C-like pseudocode, then iteratively refine variable types, structures, and prototypes to approach the original source intent. Once refined, verify behavior by running the DLL under a debugger or test harness and stepping through key functions to confirm assumptions. If things go wrong, check for missing symbols or anti-debug protections. The single key troubleshooting tip is to try a runtime memory dump after initialization and reanalyze that clean image in the disassembler.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.